ways that you can watch movies in. So, yeah, just watch a movie, any kind of movie, and you get 10 star points, as long as you rate it 5 stars, or 4 stars. I don't think it really matters, but I'm not sure. And then the second way is to go to, the pet park, and you go and play with everybody's pets, and then you get star points, and you probably won't get much, because, if I really don't think pets, you might get them to, like, 31, because, like, my pet's like a 0, so, like, yeah. I'm like, Jesus, it's a 38, like, I don't even take care of my pet. I'm a pet owner, I mean, like, for real. So then you get high scores, and you go, we can just stay on, the movie sites, because, all these movie sites right here, they have, pets and coins in their rooms, so but then you can go here, to the pets, and then press old pets, and then push mark thingy, and then this whole list right here, like, all these people right here, and so I'll show you which row. And so page poopy, okay, like, this page right here, don't do anyone else except for page poopy. On this page, this is, for poop, so you just, like, yeah, just stop on that page, and that's it, and that's all the people you do on that page, and that's where you end, so yeah. Now what is she doing, what is she trying to do? I really like that outfit, it's super cute. Yeah, but this girl got on my nerves, because she stole my outfit, and I got really freaking mad, because, I mean, like, I worked so hard on, like, putting together that outfit, I mean, like, it was, like, plain red, but still, it was hard to work on, like, for real.